Park is stepping behind the camera for the first time to take on his directing duties for the upcoming film Shortcomings.
Yes, we caught up with the stars prior to the SAG-AFTRA strike and chatted about the predominantly Asian American-led cast with a story of their own. Take a look.
I was practically the only non-white person in my entire high school.
And you never felt discriminated against?
I definitely did, but not because I was Asian.
Because of your inherent bad personality.
Exactly.
Do you remember that internship that I applied for?
What about it?
It's in New York.
New York is overrated. It's so gentrified now.
How many times have you even been there?
Are we counting layovers?
Actor Randall Park, best known for Fresh Off the Boat and the Marvel Cinematic Universe, is making his directorial debut in Shortcomings. The film, a screenplay from Adrian Tomina, is based on his graphic novel of the same name.
It's a modern story about three Bay Area urbanites who are
We're taking some time off while the cat's away.
just going through their own kind of complex relationships and challenges with personal growth and friendship and love.
With a predominantly Asian American cast, the movie shows another dimension of the Asian American experience.
I know you're going to want to blame this on society or on your race or whatever, but this really is just about you.
I think that that's something we don't get to see too often, especially as lead characters. You know, I think a lot of times you see, you know, kind of these idealized forms of representation, whether they be, you know, really good heroes or, you know, or really bad like villains.
This is definitely was a dream project for me personally, and to be able to be directed by Randall Park, who's such a beacon of hope.
Ally Mackey portrays Miko, girlfriend of cynical movie theater manager Ben, played by Justin Min. After the couple's tumultuous breakup, Ben is left hurt and finds himself in a dark place.
You have problems with anger, depression, your weird self-hatred.
You could benefit from a little self-hatred.
They've become these two very different people, and they either have to decide to stay with each other as these new people and new iterations of themselves, or grow apart.
For Ben, it could mean starting something new with someone else when he meets Autumn, played by Tavi Jevinson.
They have a flirtation, and I think ultimately she's not as invested as he is. I think she kind of makes it seem like being with someone else could be a lot simpler, but of course it never is because people are very complicated.
The film follows all of the characters just trying to navigate life, then learning that everyone is dealing with their own struggles.
I'm gonna go to New York. Listen, maybe you could come with me.
I thought you came out here to clear your head.
I did. We finally get to meet your mysterious boyfriend.
Hello, Ben. Praise Jesus. Maybe just be honest with him.
Shortcomings hits the big screen on Friday. That's tomorrow.
Yeah, that is tomorrow. I like that show.